Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Amplitude with Attitude by Vandana. As you know, in my channel I discuss basic science and mathematics. So today I am going to deal a very important topic of chemistry, especially for class 9, the first chapter of chemistry, matter in our surrounding. I'm just going to give you a brief introduction of this chapter in today's video, and in my upcoming videos I will discuss this whole chapter one by one. Okay, so what is matter? You see so many things in your surrounding. For example, water you drink, the apple you eat, the air you breathe in. All these things, what are these? These are basically matter. So how we will define matter? Matter is anything that occupies a space and has a fixed volume. That is called as matter. That apple is also a matter because it occupies space. That water you drink is also a matter but because it occupies a space. Means if you put it in a bottle, that occupies a space and it has a fixed volume. Means 1 liter of water or half a liter of water. That is there. Air, which is there in your surrounding, it also occupies a space, right? And it also has a fixed volume. As you might be knowing how important this air is in the COVID era, you know the importance of this air, especially the oxygen which is filled in oxygen cylinder, and after that people take breath with that oxygen, right? But certain things you can't consider as matter. For example, heat, electricity, vacuum, all these are not matter. So important criteria for being a matter is it should occupy a space and it will have a fixed volume. So you can define matter as anything that occupies a space and that has a fixed volume is a matter. Okay, now these matter can also be classified. Means especially these matters can be classified on two criteria. One is physical classification and another one is chemical classification. On the basis of physical classification, matter can be classified as solid, liquid and gas. Actually in NCERT book there are two more states of matter which I will also tell you later on. And then chemical classification of matter. On the basis of chemical classification of matter can be classified as elements, compounds and mixtures. That also I will deal in my upcoming videos, right? This is the classification of matter. On the basis of physical classification, matter can be classified into solid, liquid and gases, and on the basis of chemical classification, matter can be classified as element, compound and mixture. Now come to the nature of matter. What is the nature of this matter? Is it continuous or is it particulate? Continuous means it's a continuous sheet, means flowing like this, or is it made up of particles, means small particles which are combined together to form a big sheet. So for this also we can do one experiment. Take a glass sheet, throw it on your floor. What you will find? You will find small particles of the glass pieces, right? From this we can conclude that matter is made up of small particles. So whatever is the matter, it is made up of small particles, and these particles are made up of atoms. In all atoms also we have subatomic particles. We will study everything about these things. Till now we know the nature of matter, means basically the matter is made up of particles. Now we can also know about the size of these particles, how small or big the size of these particles is. That for that one experiment is there in your NCERT book. What you have to do, you have to take 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, mix it in 10 ml of water, then you will find a purple kind of solution is formed. That purple kind of solution is 10 ml of potassium permanganate and water mixture. That is there. That is a solution basically of potassium permanganate and water. What you can do, take 9 ml of water again in a glass or beaker or anything, and take 1 ml of that potassium permanganate solution which you have earlier prepared in that 9 ml of water. We will get lighter purplish kind of thing. Then again continue this process, means 9 ml and then 1 ml of this solution which you have prepared, that is diluted solution. After that you will find whatever you are going down and down and down, the color is fading. But the thing is like the watercolor you are not finding, means some color is there. What you will find that though you are diluting the solution, but totally the color of the water you are not getting. Means from this you can conclude that the size of this particle is very, means it contains lot of particles. Even a small drop of water contains 10 raised to the power 21 atoms of water. Experiment which I have told you to do with potassium permanganate, you can perform this experiment with Dettol or Savlon at your home also. From this we can conclude that matter is made up of extremely small particles which cannot be seen even with a powerful microscope. And actually what we think that is a small drop, that is actually an aggregate of many particles which is present in that matter. This is all for today. I just told you what is matter, how matter can be classified on the basis of physical classification, chemical classification, and particle nature of matter. This was a short video, just introduction of matter in our surrounding. I will upload slowly and slowly videos on this topic. Hope you will like it. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.